Right, so here we are out with the Dynam PT-17 Stearman again, and Carl, this time practically no wind.
Yeah, much better this time.
I know, you remember last time when we did the maiden flight, it was like 20-25 miles an hour? This is a luxury that we don't get very often here in the UK, especially in the autumn. So we're going to make the most of it and get this lovely looking PT-17 in the sky. The only little mod that I have made is on these bits of foam, Carl, you see. I had taped them on and they weren't staying on, so I put some, they should do this, this would be something they should do. So I put some scrap foam in there, haven't put the colour on it yet, but that will definitely hold them in place. That's the only little thing really, otherwise it's good to go. Let's get it in the air. So there you go, that's the Dynam PT-17 Stearman. Worth all the effort to put it together and the little challenges that we had. That second flight, a lot better, really smooth. Got to get the CG right. That 4S2200 pack is pretty much all the way to the front to get the balance right, but I still think need a bit more weight in the front as well. It's still a little bit tail heavy. But thanks very much for watching this one. You might want to subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, thanks to Carl on camera. And we'll see you for another essential RC flight test very soon. See you again soon. Bye.